Hello everyone, welcome to this lesson. I'm going to show you in this lesson how to compute averages. So there are literally two methods for computing averages. So I'm going to show you the two methods. So let's quickly go into it. New measure. So the first method, I'm going to count the number of customers that did transactions. So I'll call this distinct transacting customers. So that will be equal to distinct count or count distinct. I don't know which one it is here. Maybe count distinct. Yeah, distinct count is distinct count. Distinct count, I call up my transactions table, then customer ID. So I get this first. So let me bring this to this table. It's count of customers. So the next thing is to do the division of count of customers by total transaction. So I'll go to new measure. That will give us the average. We can call it transaction per customer. That is also average transactions. That is equal to, call up my measure, tran count, over, I can use over, or I prefer to do divide. So divide, div, divide, tran count, the numerator, and distinct customers, the denominator. So I just use a square bracket to call up that measure, distinct, denominator. So I enter. So that gives me transaction per customer. So I'll bring it here. So what is the other method? Let's quickly use the other method. New measure. The other method is to use an iterative function, AVERAGEX. That is another method. So let me say tran per customer average x. So that will be equals to average x. My table will be values, transaction, customer ID. That will this automatically counts the number of customers, distinct customers. Then my expression will be transaction count, tran count. So that is it. So I close this bracket. Let me break lines here. Okay, let me also break lines here. Okay, this will give me the same figure as what we got earlier. So this is the measure here. So you can see the same figure. That is just all about how to compute average, whichever works for you. So you can use this. It's either you go that step by step, the first one, or you use AVERAGEX, which I think is more efficient. So that will be all for this lesson. I'll see you in the next lesson.